today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your Figma design into Squarespace so you can turn your creative mockups into a live website quickly and confidently. The first thing you'll want to do is choose a Squarespace template that works well with your design. This step is really important because the overall structure of the template should match the layout and style you created in Figma. I recommend using a template that supports the Fluid Engine editor. Fluid Engine gives you far more control over positioning and spacing, which makes it much easier to recreate complex layouts or custom styling from your Figma file. Try to avoid older, more rigid templates because they can limit how closely your live site matches your design. Once you've selected your template, open your Figma design and start breaking it down section by section. Look at elements like headers, banners, image blocks, text areas and buttons, and then recreate those pieces inside Squarespace using its built-in editing tools. Think of it as rebuilding your design visually rather than importing it directly. As you go, make use of the preview feature in Squarespace to keep checking how everything looks in real time. It's also really important to test your layout on mobile and tablet views, since responsiveness plays a huge role in modern web design. Make small adjustments wherever needed so the site looks clean and professional across all devices. By choosing the right template and mapping your Figma layout carefully into Squarespace, you'll be able to create a final website that looks polished, functional, and true to your original vision. Thanks for watching and happy designing!